I just have explained you about this poem. I told you there are some figure of speech used by poet. So figure of speech previously in class 9th I explained about figure of speech. जिस तरह से हम जो लेडीज़ होती हैं ऑर्नामेंट वेयर करती हैं खुद को और भी ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए, उसी तरह से जो पोएट है अपने पोएम में अपने रीडर के लिए और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए पोएम वो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज़ करते हैं. सो देयर आर 3 फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज बाय जॉन बेरीमन. In first and second line, what 3 times what has been repeated. So here anaphora figure of speech used by John Berryman. merely John Berryman ने बॉल के लिए यूज़ किया है. सो हियर बॉल इज इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट और वो हैप्पी नहीं है, बट हियर टू create the happiness scene he has used merely 2 times. So here imaginary figure of speech used by John Berryman. And in last line 8th line, buys a ball back. B first capital letter of B, ball में भी B है, back में भी B है. So this is alliteration figure of speech used. So this is all about the ball poem where he has used so many figure of speech. And what repetition also, merely also repetition. So एक ही वर्ड में 2 फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आप कह सकते हैं उन्होंने यूज़ किया है. So I explained many things, many types of figure of speech. You come to know about these things from my notes also, which I already have given you. So here, my dear student, keeping in the mind about exam point of view, there are 2 questions is very important. The first one is, why does the poet say, I would not introduce on him? Why doesn't him money to buy another ball? So here the question is very easy. I told you that John Berryman did not like to interfere in his grief, in his sadness, in his melancholy movement, because he tried to make him to understand the things which is lost. This is his fault, not the ball's fault, because he has to save that balls. वो उसे बॉल को रिवर के पास नहीं खेलना चाहिए. एंड इन दिस वे ही सेंसेस फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हाउ टू स्टैंड अप आफ्टर लूजिंग द थिंग्स एंड हाउ टू सेव द थिंग्स एंड रिलेशनशिप इन हिज लाइफ. सो फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड itself the boy and the person learn the things how to save, how to make a better relationship in his life. These all things we people learn from our childhood. And what does in the world of possession mean? This is the second questions. And my dear student, if you have any doubt, you can ask in on my English personal group which I have made it, and you have to give attendance in that one.